What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're gonna go with our friend Gala Games. Saw the swift drop sitting at 0.027, down 5% on the day. See a market cap of 192 million. 24 hour volume 118 million. So we're gonna start off with the chart with our symmetrical triangle. We broke down. We almost made it down to our target. So I do think we'll reverse in this target range in between 0.021 and 0.031. We almost met the technical target of the wedge here. I said to watch for bullish divergences on the daily RSI and the money flow, and that's exactly what we're seeing. Now we may come a little bit lower with this impulsive drop here. I've adjusted this final wave 5 count here. So we came down to wave 1. There's your wave 2 pullback, and this could be the wave 3. So of course within that wave, within that wave are 5 waves. So I'm just going to open this up and zoom in. There's a big storm today here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I think it's affecting the Wi-Fi connection. So what I think is likely is you came down in wave 1, wave 2 pullback. You're looking to put in this wave 3 here in yellow. Micro count 1, 2, pullback in a 3, push up in a 4. The max retracement is 0.0278. If we break above that, then I would look at this wave 3. This wave 3 in yellow being finished, and then you're pushing up in the yellow wave 4. You would be able to push a little bit higher before coming down in the wave 5, and that would complete the red wave 3. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. If we fail to break that level, then the micro count would be to come down to wave 5, complete the 3, 4, 5, complete the larger wave 3 in red, pull up in a 4, come down in a wave 5 to finally complete this pullback, probably around 0.023, maybe even 0.022. But we can reverse at any time, so just keep that in mind. This just makes more sense with that impulsive drop to complete this final wave 5 down, because what we're looking at, let me go to the 4-hour chart. I'm just going to quickly use my brush, is wave 1, wave 2. There's your 3, wave 4, and then you would look to come down in that wave 5. So if I show you the Elliott wave count back on this chart, it will make more sense. There's that wave 4 looking to come down in the wave 5, which consists of 5 waves. Wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in that wave 3, and basically looking to complete the wave 3 of that yellow count. Of course, within that wave are 5 waves. So this is the micro count in white. If we get rejected here, look for a wave 5. But as I mentioned, if we break above 0.0278, then there is the possibility that this yellow wave 3 is already complete, and we're pushing up in the yellow wave 4. All right, gang, that is what we're looking at for Gala Games. We talked about looking for those divergences on the daily, and that's exactly what we're seeing. So even if we come a little bit lower, we should still print those divergences, hopefully on the RSI, and especially we'll see it on the money flow. So when price is breaking down and money is flowing back into a coin, it means the whales are buying and getting ready for the next explosion to the upside. All right, gang, currently we're in 3 trades. You can have a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bitget. Both Binance and Coinbase are being sued, have lawsuits from the SEC. So I'd recommend Bitget and Bybit, which are both based in Asia. And hopefully the SEC won't touch them. I doubt the SEC will file lawsuits against those exchanges. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. Sign up, make your first deposit, 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. As I mentioned, we're in 3 trades right now. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, you can pay $10 a month, sign up through the Patreon link. You really can't beat it. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.